Unlocking the charm. As cute as a button, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind its idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a particularly charming expression, as cute as a button. Stick around to discover not just what it means but also where it comes from and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. When someone says something is as cute as a button, they mean it's extremely cute or adorable. But there's a bit more to it. This phrase is often used to describe small things or people that are not just cute but also have an endearing quality that draws you in. It's the kind of cute that makes you go, ah. So, it's not just about being visually appealing. It's about evoking a warm, affectionate response. The exact origins of as cute as a button are a bit murky, but it's believed to date back to at least the 19th century. The word cute itself is a shortened form of acute, meaning sharp or clever, which over time came to also mean attractive or pretty in a dainty way. Buttons, especially in the past, were often detailed and designed with care, making them not just functional but decorative and appealing. So, comparing something to a button emphasizes its delightful, meticulous charm. Using as cute as a button in your everyday language is easy and can add a touch of warmth to your conversations. Here are some examples to help you get started. Did you see Julia's new puppy? It's as cute as a button. I bought a new dress for my niece, and she looked as cute as a button in it. Your baby's smile is as cute as a button. It just melts my heart. Remember, this phrase is best used in informal settings, like conversations with friends or family, and is perfect for adding a personal, affectionate touch. While as cute as a button is a widely recognized and used expression, there are other variations in the English language that convey a similar sentiment. Phrases like, as pretty as a picture, or cute as a kitten, serve a similar purpose, emphasizing the adorableness or charming qualities of someone or something. Feel free to experiment with these expressions to add variety to your language. And there you have it, the meaning, origins, and usage of as cute as a button. We hope this video has not only expanded your understanding of this delightful phrase but also inspired you to incorporate it into your conversations. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's about connection. Expressions like these add color and warmth to our interactions, making them all the more meaningful. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English.